The world had become full of evil. People turned away from God, but one man, Noah, remained faithful. God told him to build an ark. Noah obeyed and built a massive ark, even when people laughed at him. Then 2 of every animal came, just as God commanded. Rain poured for 40 days and 40 nights. The whole earth was covered in water, but Noah, his family, and the animals were safe inside the ark. Then the rain stopped. Noah sent a dove, and it returned with an olive leaf. The ark rested on a mountain. The world was made new. God placed a rainbow in the sky, a promise of his love and faithfulness.